Get access behind this tail light. So there's a few clips holding it into place. First thing that we're gonna do is take a pry tool and pull this guy out. Girlfriend is stuck in there. There he is. Come on out, guy. All right, remove the clip. Sweet. After peeling back the carpet a little bit, you can see this little guy right here. So that small metal piece with the spring on it, yeah, that's what we want to remove. Not the big spring, the tiny spring behind it. It's gonna be the thing that girlfriend has her fingers on right now. To untighten it, we are going to screw it or unscrew it to the left. And for the driver's side, that means twisting it towards the car to getting it loose. The next thing that we're gonna do is just remove the tail light. Now, this red piece and this black piece are all one piece. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is try to wiggle the tail light to try to loosen up the clip parts where it's clipped in, and then just pull it straight out. All right, now that we have the power of the gloves, first try, what do you think? Okay, I think we really have to pull this back to pull it forward. Girlfriend?
You want me to do what?
Let me just pull this off really quick.
Okay.
I think it was blocking this down here. Oh, there we go. We're slowly pulling this out because there's still wires in here. So we're gonna want to unclip this piece like that, and then it'll peel off. That's your plug. So one clip here, then one clip here.
Oh, there it is.
And then that clips in here and there. So those are the 2 points you're gonna be working with. This is what was holding it tight in place with the spring screw. And it's dripping. Wait, you hear that?
Yeah. There's a lot of water in there.
It's sloshing.
Yeah, that's not good for life.
How did that happen? Time to find out where it's leaking and then attempt to seal it. We'll figure it out.